Oh Lord, where do I begin? The slide underside to a 2013 Toyota Prius that has been put through a newspaper route for almost a year. It has cat converter issues and hybrid battery issues. I'm trying to pull out the cat converter. I believe my main focus will be on these two screws first. And then I already pulled off the small little heat shield. Comments on this one definitely welcome. I wonder, did I leave that and zoom in? Okay, good, it's zoomed out as much as possible. Space is tight because I'm on car ramps. Don't have access to a lift here in Thomasville, Georgia, Coolidge, and the like. I'm assuming those are Allen bolts. I have no earthly idea. And that is what goes back to the tailpipe, to the muffler. Seems easy enough. So far, not really. Trying to figure out the tools and what I need to do to actually remove it.